Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 22nd, 2024. Let's take a quick look at what the markets did today. Well, it was certainly an up day here. It started kind of quiet in the morning, picked up a little in the afternoon. By the end of the day, the Dow was up 255 points. So it looks like we may be coming back to retest the 20 here. However, there is some resistance right in this area. So it wouldn't surprise me either if we roll back over tomorrow. But either way, it looks like we got a bit of a retracement here. Nothing more than that at this point. The S&P 500 up 41 points. Barely can call this a retracement just yet, but it may be the start of it. The Nasdaq doesn't even look like a retracement at this point, up 151 points, while the Russell was up 20, still far from the 20 MA here. If we look at crude oil, down slightly now. We were down much more, but it made it back here. Finished the day down 13 cents, while gold, which was the big loser of the day, down 70 points. Now, you know, um, this is just one day. It's a pullback, yes. At this point, there's no evidence that this is the top on this move. It may very well end up being that, but right now, all we should be doing is looking for a bounce from here and another possible long setup. Silver, the exact same thing. It was a big down day, no question. Down $1.50, huge move. Really out of nowhere, the media is saying that this has to do with tensions in the Middle East easing. Yet, we didn't really see much else here. The dollar certainly didn't move. The dollar usually moves gold and silver, but the dollar's holding steady at 106. So, what do we look for next? Well, tomorrow, and it's aftermarket close, but Tesla earnings, that'll be the big thing, followed by Meta on Wednesday, Alphabet, and Microsoft on Thursday. And those are just a few big names. There are a ton of earnings reports this week. So that's going to be the major item of the week.